Welcome to a new and exciting tour inside one of the largest markets for songbirds and ornamental birds. A place where beauty, colours and the most amazing sounds of nature come together. From the very first moment you enter the market, you will hear a wonderful harmony of canary songs, finches, and many rare birds. Powerful melodies, unique sounds, and an atmosphere full of life and excitement. In every corner of this huge market, you can find different species of beautiful birds. Spanish canaries with energetic songs. Fife Fancy canaries with their elegant appearance, and tropical ornamental birds with breathtaking colours. What makes this place even more special is the presence of professional breeders who gather here every day. They exchange breeding secrets, feeding techniques, and expert tips to produce healthy birds with high-quality singing abilities. This tour gives you the opportunity to discover rare bird species that you may not see every day. Birds with stunning colours and beautiful natural songs make this place an unforgettable experience for every nature enthusiast. If you are passionate about songbirds and ornamental birds, you will definitely enjoy this amazing journey. Get ready to explore a world full of life, beauty, and some of the most powerful natural bird songs. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more professional bird tours and amazing content from the fascinating world of birds.
مرحبا.